Learn how to make this adorable mini chenille stem puppy. Tag your crafty bestie and make one together. Wrap a chenille stem around a chopstick or pen. Push the coils together, then slide it off. You'll get a small spring. Use half a chenille stem to make a second, shorter spring. Thread a chenille stem through the longer spring. Insert it from one end. When you reach the middle, pull it out through the side. Pull it tight, making sure both ends are the same length. Thread both ends through the shorter spring. Pull both sides tight. Now the puppy's head is complete. Measure about 1.5 centimeters, fold it down close to the base, then twist twice. Flip it over and repeat on the other side. Fold the remaining wire downward. Twist the two ends together to form the puppy's body. Take another chenille stem and place it underneath the head. Wrap it once around the body to secure it. This longer section will become the front leg. Make the other front leg the same way. Take another chenille stem. Wrap it around the body to secure it. Make one leg on each side. The back legs are made the same way as the front legs. Curl the remaining chenille stem into a little tail. Adjust the puppy's pose. Set all 4 paws on the table. Lift the head slightly. Glue on the eyes and nose, then add a little color to finish. Isn't this little puppy just adorable?